Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic V3, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application, like this one right over here in the Google folder. Next, we're going to navigate to Organize, and then swipe down and select Manage SIM. This in turn will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. As you can see, almost all of them for me are grayed out and deselected, and I can't select them as it gives me the message contact already exists in your list. That list that it's referring to is the one that is right here, so that would be my Google account. And you can see that this is also a drop-down menu. So you can tap on it and choose some other account, or for instance import contacts to the device. On the device there's no contacts, so all of them automatically become selected. I can also deselect ones that I might not want. From there I can click on import. This will import selected contacts, and when I go back to my contacts list, I can click right over here depending on where I have imported my contacts to, and I can change to display them from the device, which isn't visible because they changed it. So I can click right here, and there we go, there's the device. So here we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.